Good morning.
It's like the outer part. That's very pretty. That will usually stay on. Every plant in the jungle has medicine. Every plant is a doctor and has doctors associated with them. Marusa is regarded as an entire hospital.
Really?
It's regarded as, like, you could say, like, the cornucopia of medicine in the jungle, like the grand pharmacy, and it is a grand might. For many people regarded as like the little sister of Byron. They're very, very close. Lusana is incredibly beautiful. All the plants are in their own way.
So this is Malva, lovely, lovely Malva, and yeah, the invitation is for you to meet this plant and take your time and just practice these things of communing and actually feeling, tuning in to the energy of this plant. So you can each pick 4 leaves and just take your time, and maybe you want to offer some gratitude, some love, a little song, some apacho, whatever you feel like, but just take your time, and then we will all meet in the kitchen where we will prepare the remedy all together.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy! Thank you. Oh my gosh, baby chicken. And you can actually see, because part of it has been cut, so you can see the flower. Yeah. So we will plant ayahuasca in the second part of the course, and you will see how absolutely happy ayahuasca is to grow. It's very, very easy to plant them.
so you don't need to do a lot. You just want to open it up so they all get separated, and this is really enough. If anything loose there, any dirt, any little bit of mud, soil, and it's ready.
I'll beat it.
So you can go.
I'll beat it.
I beat it.
Beat it. Beat it.
Hiya, hiya.
This was the reason why I came here. Because I wanted to go to
Yanni. Smash that thing, bro. With love.
Ambidextrous too, so it helps.
It would actually be nice just to get this on with just a tiny bit of water and pour this into something else together.
Cushy. Soup for everyone.
I have a really good feeling about this.
It's gonna be cooking down until we reach a water level somewhere around here.
The tornado inside.
That's how the water gets re-energized, because of that.
Culture fades with tears and grace, leaving us stunned, hollow with shame. We have seen this all before. Many tribes of a modern kind, doing brand new work, same spirit by side, joining hearts and hands in ancestral twine, Many tribes of a modern kind, doing brand new work, same spirit by side, joining hearts and hands in ancestral twine, Slowly it fades. Slowly we fade. Slowly you fade. Slowly you fade.
Cushy.
Emana yo, 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 yo. 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 Emana yo,
Temazcal.
yo, yo, yo. Emana yo, 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 yo. Emana yo, 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 yo. Emana yo, 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 yo. Spirit bird, she creaks and groans. She knows she has seen this all before. She has seen this all before. She has.
Hola.
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 Ahorita.
Aurorita. Hola. Hola. Aurorita. Aurorita.
Yeah.
Sí. Canta. 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 Un mes va a cantar Ícaro.
Ok, bueno, en la segunda ya. Sí, perfecto. Maestro, bueno.
Hey. Na 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 hey. Na 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 hey.
Give it time and we wonder why. Do what we can, laugh and we cry, and we sleep in your dust because we've seen this all before.